like a bad decision. No square face, no clean edge, pure broad-stitch. I could build a fixture the size of a boat, or leave two set tabs and hope that it floats. Measure twice, swear thrice, clamp it like you mean it. If it moves one more time, I might just leave it. 65 inches and nothing is flat. Hold still, you banana with the blade. How hard is that? 65 inches and nothing is flat. Progress is panic with better attachments. Every shop's got one job that laughs at the vice. Organic curves and zero mercy, roll the dice. Big chunky tabs every 15 inches. Call it fixturing, call it faith, call it business. Long runs make the machine start complaining. Go gentle or the temper starts raining. 65 inches and nothing is flat. Hold still, you banana with the blade. How hard is that? 65 inches and nothing is flat. Progress is panic with better attachments. I don't need perfect, I need good enough to cut. I don't need pretty, I need it bolted shut. 65 inches and nothing is flat. Hold still, you banana with a blade. How hard is that? 65 inches and nothing is flat. Progress is panic with